Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
On Monday, Thursday, we have the services in English at 5 o'clock. On Friday, we have the services at 3 o'clock in English. And on Holy Saturday at 11 o'clock, just before midnight, we have the Easter Vigil in English as well. On the following day, Sunday morning, we have 3 masses. 2 masses are in Konkani, that is at 7 and 8, and at 9:15 we have the Mass in English. So the services in the Basilica are during the novena, during the Holy Week are in English, while on the other side at the cathedral they are in Konkani. We have been avoiding the intake of tourists because the environment becomes a little more noisy. So to keep this environment and to prepare ourselves and the church for the services, we have this church, the Basilica, closed for the 3 days. And we are open for the Catholic community, be they Goans or they come from other places in India or abroad, so that they can participate in the Holy Triduum, which is Monday, Thursday, Good Friday and Saturday.